Nice and easy. Up onto the ramp, it's pretty straightforward.
Take the safety brake off.
I think you're doing this one. Alrighty guys, we're on the south end again and we got a little two-wheel drive front here. Just get them backed up on the ramp here. Hey man, had you called?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. We had put in the wrong address, so we thought you were way further south. So I'm glad I rolled up on you. I have another driver that's headed down there, so let me let him know and we'll get you out of here. What's up, man? What was your name?
David.
David, John, nice to meet you. All right, this should be simple. Once we get it hooked up, I'll just have you turn a little bit passenger, put it in reverse, give it a little bit of gas. I'll do most of the work, and we'll just take it slow and get you backed up on the concrete and get out of here. I tell people if you want to try and go on, well, you can go on the beach. International down in Daytona is advertised as two-wheel drive. So you could go down there and you'd be all right. Otherwise, they just built a bunch of off-beach parking, so you can grab one of those parking lots across the street and just park there.
All right.
All right. We probably need like a 20. Collin's first recovery.
Oh, no.
You have any questions? Nice and easy. Up onto the ramp, it's pretty straightforward. All right, go ahead and throw it in reverse. Turn that wheel a little bit passenger. And you're just gonna go nice and slow. Yep, you should just be able to crawl it. Go ahead, give it a tiny bit of gas. Yep, just like that, beautiful. Heck yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. Cool. Hey, y'all have a good one, all right, buddy?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, Collin, good job. That was so good. You gotta embarrass you like a proud parent. There you go, guys. That one was super quick, super simple. We got Collin. I believe that was your first technically ever recovery, huh? Get on, Collin. What's your, you got a...
It's great. Fantastic. Great, fantastic. It went well. Okay.
Anyways, we got him out. We're on to the next one. See you guys.
Hey, y'all. I'm out here with Christian today. We are headed down. Hey, guys. We're headed down to get a Jeep Cherokee stuck just north of headquarters. So come on along for the adventure. Hey, guys.
Appreciate you.
Absolutely. So four-wheel drive's broken.
Yeah.
It sucks when you find that out when you get out here, right?
Need it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right. Let me see. Make sure. Oh, yeah. I don't need to bring the shovel out.
Yeah.
Look what I got. He's got all the hard work going. All right, the front end's up out. We're just gonna have to figure out a way. I don't think that they have a hitch.
I don't think she does.
No hitch.
No.
All right. We can go down and grab them control arms and bring it back that way. So we do have a little bit of a YouTube and Facebook. If you guys don't mind coming along on the adventure with us, we'll put you up on YouTube. We'll give you a discount for doing it.
Awesome.
Cool. All right, Christian, I'm gonna get the bridle, put it on these control arms, and then I'm just gonna drop the 20-foot on here. As a matter of fact, I've already got the 20-foot on it. So I think I can just ease up the line with them. Just ease up with them. While we're here, I'm getting ready to give a little bit of an explanation to y'all. So, on our YouTube longs that we do, the man, Christian, is the one that does most of the video recording and most of the editing for our long videos. So, the interesting thing is, Christian usually rides with my son, Johnny. So I was looking at the long videos and going, wait, there's a whole lot of Johnny on these long videos. And I was like, well, that's because he rides with Johnny all the time. So I was like, I was coming to get you guys, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get Christian to jump in the truck with me. I'll be a long video. Hey.
Hey, she's friendly.
That's okay. I got 2 rescue pit bulls at the house. I'm used to it. But he has figured out something that a lot of people never figure out. And that is, if you dig your feet into the sand, it's cooler underneath the top. So he's just digging himself a nice cool hole right there. In the car. Oh. Hi, baby. Yeah, I'll probably have you in reverse just so we can go through these chops. Yeah, I'll let you know when it's time.
Yeah. Hey, my brother, you could just let some hairs out of the tire. It'll work.
He's a little too deep for that, but that's true before you get down here. Folks that are not from here do not understand what coquina shell has done to our sand. It's not as simple as lowering your tire pressure. You can get caught, especially if it's his four-wheel drive's not working. It wouldn't matter if he made his tire pressure 10 in the back right now. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Hop on in, and I'll have you in reverse. And Christian's gonna stand here, so if I need more or less gas, I'll let you know. But basically, nice and easy in reverse. You'll feel it start to put tension. We're just gonna go right on up. See my sign language? There's 2 cars. We're going this way. Please back up. All right, here we go.
Start giving it a tiny bit of gas.
Take the safety brake off. Take the safety brake off. Have him put it in drive and take the safety brake off. We good? All right, here we go. Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. It's an electronic safety brake. It's a button he has to push. Have him push the button.
There we go.
You got it?
Yeah.
Try going drive for a second, because we're right on this ledge now. I've just pulled you straight back onto the concrete. Okay, perfect. Yep. Hang on one second. You put it in back in reverse again. I'm getting ready to pull you up. That's how it's supposed to go. That's how it's supposed to go. Good job, buddy. Yeah, absolutely.
I'm surprised y'all did it too in the Tacoma.
Huh?
That thing's pretty.
It is pretty stout, isn't it? I know. We love Jeeps. When I lived in Costa Rica, I owned a Jeep. But out here, after doing this for a while, a Jeep is a great toy, and a Toyota is a tool. Yeah. Like, I just put so much wear on them.
Yeah, they don't break.
Yeah, if you go.
Those axles in the Tundras for the 1500, they're bigger than the rest of the 1500 line.
Are they really?
Yeah. Wow.
I didn't know that either.
Yeah, I've got a van, but
I understand completely.
More work. This would have been fun.
Yeah, you'd have been. If
It worked last time we were here. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
It's sensor. It's probably not. It probably is.
Yeah, I guarantee you that something stupid and electronic.
Yeah.
That always seems to be the deal.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Cheers, you guys.
Thank you. Absolutely. You guys be safe. I'm gonna get up out of the way.
Yeah.
If you still want to go onto the beach, go down about 4 miles, International Speedway Boulevard.
Yeah.
It says like world most famous beach across the top. That's 2-wheel drive hard down there. You'll have no problem without 4-wheel drive.
Is there somewhere to park close to here? We'll just walk.
There is. Yeah, there is. Right across the street.
Wow. Cool.
Yep. And then you can just walk on down.
You guys, the same people that owned like Cito and everything.
No, I wish. This is my company. But I named it like Cito.
Yeah.
But it's me and my boy, and we got about 4 of us that just have been doing this. We have about 900 videos on YouTube now.
Yeah.
So yeah. But the reason I called it Santo is because I thought Cito was cool.
Yeah. Awesome, man.
Have a blessed day, guys. All right, there we go. Always love a little extra help for our military. And we're out of here. You all have a great day.
A little later.
I really don't want to yank it, but considering I believe it's a 3500 dually 4x4 to the frame, might be a little bit much. How you guys doing today?
Oh, we're doing great. How are you doing?
Good. About
Thanks for
yourself?
coming over.
Yeah. What was your name?
Nick.
Nick. John. Nice to meet you.
John?
Yeah. So is that bike rack coming out?
Yeah, I was going to try to take it out, but
Okay. What's up?
I got a little piece of wedge piece in the underneath there, so it's in there tight. I need something to tap it with. I got a hitch I can hammer the back side of it with. But it's
Okay.
in there so tight, I don't think we can pull it out.
Let me try and give it a wiggle.
Go ahead.
Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah.
Hey, you ain't lying. Pull it out with the truck. I'm joking. Kinda. To be honest, nah, it's like right on it. What's that? Yeah. Is that the 30?
Yeah.
What? No, I don't think it's overkill if I can't get it to wiggle.
There you go. I already see it moving. You got it.
You're moving.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yep. 100%.
Should come down. That little wafer.
I keep hitting on it some.
Yeah. I got to stand up.
Yep.
That's coming. That's funny.
I keep hitting on it. It's only moving when you're hitting it.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. You want this in the bed?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in the bed.
Sit it right here.
Put that up.
I'd probably lay it down like this because we'll need the tailgate shut.
Oh, okay. Move that chair first, Captain. Okay, get it right on that.
Sweet. All right. Awesome.
This is like a shimmy.
Ooh,
That's it. Yeah.
that thing did wonders, man. All right, catch my breath.
The instruction. Readjust first time. Or you think that's good?
I'll readjust. Just you hook up to him and unhook me. Whew. So, with the hooks up front, I got a bridle I can run to both of them. We're gonna give it a shot with the kinetic rope. If not, I have a winch. But game plan would be wheel straight with me. You in for high or low?
Low, well, either one, whatever you want.
Low's probably better. Keep
Low.
that wheel straight with me. When you can tell I'm about to hit, give it a little bit of gas. If we can get it up and moving, I'm gonna take you to this ramp here. I gotta get it opened, but we can pull up on the ramp and then get it open and get you out of here. Like I said, if not, we'll use the winch and slow crawl you up out of the hole.
All right.
Whew.
So you were fine with me in the first place.
Yeah.
So you'll be
I'm gonna come a little bit to the right just to kind of stay out of this muck.
Okay.
So you'll want to turn just a little bit passenger.
Okay.
It'll free some up when you give it some gas. And I'll probably give it 2 or 3 bumps. If we're not making good progress, I'll hook the winch up.
Okay. They're still hot on it.
Who?
Silver Forerunner.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
I honestly think I'm good in those tracks. All right, so like I said, quick points. You want to, will that wheel turn at all right now? Go ahead, put it in drive. Give it just a tiny bit of gas and keep tension on that wheel and try and get it to turn a little bit. Yep, good. Oh, they hung up, okay. What the heck? Oh! What is going on here? I don't know. Oh well.
I should try to follow you though.
Yes, 100%. Wheel straight with me. Give it probably about quarter throttle. I want enough that you're spinning, but not enough that you're sinking.
Okay.
And
That's after we get out of the hole, or do it during.
and when I'm about to hit, we'll want a little bit of gas to help me bungee it.
Yeah.
And then same thing, stay on it, a little bit of gas. We want to leave some tension on it, but you help me a little bit. We'll end up, if we get you moving, we'll swing it as wide as we can,
Yeah.
and then come up around to the ramp. Just follow the tracks I took. Go just slow enough that we have tension on the line, and we'll try and get you up on the concrete,
Right.
okay?
Thank you.
That was fucking awesome. Good job. As well as it could have gone. Give me a good handshake on that. Awesome. I was a little worried. This is a heavy girl. I was like, we're just going to give it the beans.
I was working to home the other day, and I'm like, no.
Yeah, I would have had to use the winch with that one. This thing's got just enough weight in the end. Oh, I appreciate you guys. And if you go, there's actually a parking lot, a new one right across the street there. So it's free. You can park right there if you guys want.
Yeah. Well, can we come back here again?
You guys are great.
Didn't I have 10 somewhere?
Yes, had
Is this it?
$10 in once.
All I got is the.
Hey, that is all good. You're all good, guys.
Thank you.
Absolutely, yes,
Thank
of
you very
course.
much.
You guys have a blessed day, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, guys. Honestly, that went about as well as it could have gone. I was, very trying to be optimistic, and it worked. First try, great show for the people. Went well. We got him out of there. So we found another dually that was struggling. We're following him, making sure he's good. So we'll either see you in that one or in the next one. Peace.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.